How to build AI chatbot using Google Gemini. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to write Java code to chat with the Gemini language model. It is pure Java code with no dependencies. First, let's set up our main class, app, and define some constants and variables. We define our API key and URL for the Gemini LLM API, an array list to store our conversation history, and a constant for the history's capacity. Now, let's dive into the main method. This method runs a loop to read user input and send it to the API. Here, we use a scanner to read user input in a loop. If the user types quit, the program exits. Otherwise, it sends the user's input to the sendRequest method. Next, let's look at the sendRequest method, which sends the user's prompt to the Gemini API. It creates a JSON request, sends it using an HTTP client, and processes the response. Let's move on to the processResponse method, which handles the API's response. This method checks if the response status is 200. It then uses a regex pattern to extract the text from the response and prints it. Finally, let's look at the conversation history method, which manages our conversation history. This method adds the latest prompt to the history, removing the oldest entry if we exceed our capacity. It then returns the entire conversation history as a single string. Now, we will add some code in the sendRequest method to make conversion history works. This builds the full prompt by joining the conversation history, current user input, and then send it to the model. To run the app, don't forget to add the API key to the code. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you want a more detailed version of this app, leave a comment, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.